You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding why animals look so different. Timmy the cat is here to spill the beans on animal colors and patterns. Timmy the cat. Meow! Hi friends! Hey, I'm Timmy, your curious kitty guide. Ever seen a zebra's stripes or a peacock's feathers and thought, wow, that's wild? Well, animals have unique colors and patterns for a bunch of cool reasons. Some, like chameleons, change colors to blend in and hide from predators. Sneaky, right? Others, like the bright red ladybug, wear bold colors to say, hey, I'm not tasty. It's like a big flashy keep-away sign. And then, there's the peacock. Those fancy feathers are all about showing off to find a mate. It's like saying, check me out, I'm fabulous. So next time you see a wild and wacky animal pattern, remember, it's all about survival, safety, and showing off. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, being unique is pawsome. Meow!